Hi, this is a demo of the VK-172 GPS module. You might see it listed as a GPS/GLONASS U-Block 7. That's the chip that's inside. Plugs into a USB port, becomes a COM port. You can use a terminal program to connect to it or do something fancier like use uCenter to get even more data, period. You'll see that in the next part of the video. The software we're using for the demo is the uCenter evaluation software. I have my VK-172 plugged into COM3 with a baud rate of 57.6, and as you can see, we call it the text console window. That's here. It's giving me all the data, and if you slow it down, you'll get the approximate coordinates of where I'm broadcasting this from. I have the world position view here. I have the satellite signal history right here. Thanks for watching.